Hello, this is Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc. doing business as Tramas Auto School once again. And I'm sure you've been following and you've seen that we've done a few videos. So now we're up to the next step, right? So we've done the setup process, we've done leaving the sidewalk, we've done driving straight. What do you think comes next, right? You know, unfortunately, you cannot just drive straight all the time. I guess it would be nice for some people, but you know, if you just keep driving straight, how are you gonna get home? Right? You have to be able to make turns, right and left turns. So we're gonna do our best to do mostly right turns on this video, and only the left turns that are mandatory. And then next video we'll get into focusing more on left turns, understanding the difference between a regular one-way left and a two-way left. All right, for the right turn, you don't have to worry about that. For the right turn, at least driving in the States, you know, maybe in other countries where you drive on the other side of the road, then it flips, right? But driving in the States, for the right turn, whether it's one-way or two-way, you still approach it pretty much the same, right? It's the left turn where you have to, you know the difference and then adjust your positioning, right? Okay, so without further ado, and now we're gonna just go through the process. You already know it, so you don't really have to see it. All right, gear, signal, turn the wheel, check your mirror, check your blind spot. All right, and when it's safe, you come out. Now you aim the car straight. Now we're gonna make this right turn here. So you signal, and we have a regular stop sign this time. You still stop at the line, but the difference with a regular stop sign is we have the stop sign, but the other street does not. So the other street has the right of way. So we have to take our time and go out slow to make sure nothing is coming. Now you can turn the wheel one time and slowly bring it back. Make this right turn here. So now when you're making a turn, if you don't have to come to a complete stop, of course in this case we do because we have a stop sign here. If you don't have to come to a complete stop, ideally you want to be at 5 to 10 miles an hour, right? You want to stay straight until your mirror gets to the end of the sidewalk or the end of the crosswalk. Now you do one circle of the wheel, and then you have to keep looking to make sure nothing is coming. And for the regular stop, you have to make sure you can see for an entire block in the other direction. An entire block, right? If you can't see for the whole block, you don't know that it's safe, right? And you don't want to just guess and go, because one day you're going to guess wrong. And you don't want to assume. You know, you might have heard that saying about what happens when you assume, right? You don't want to make an A out of you and me. Right? So with a regular stop, you cannot assume. You have to make certain that it's clear. Okay? We're gonna make another right turn here. Alright, so you signal about 100 feet, 10 cars in advance. You slow down. In this case we don't need to stop, but 5 to 10 miles an hour. Let the car roll and do one circle and slowly bring it back. Alright, so now that you kind of see what the car is doing, I'm going to show you how my son is actually controlling it. Right? So I'll pause this. Alright, so we have another stop sign here, see? Alright, so he put on his signal. Alright, so we're trying to line up our mirror, and pause when you get there. Right here. So your mirror is pointing right at the edge of the sidewalk or the edge of the crosswalk, right? Not in the beginning, not in the middle, at the end. They want you to do an L-shaped turn, not a rounded turn, right? Remember, there's a difference between driving in the city, driving on the highway, and driving on the racetrack, right? But your test, at least in New York, is going to be in the city. So we focus on city driving for the test, right? Now he's gonna turn the wheel one circle. Good. And then he's gonna continue watching that way to make sure nothing is coming. And if you see something coming, you stop. Remember, they have the right of way, not us. Right? We have the stop sign, they don't. Right? And that's the difference between a regular stop sign and an always stop sign. At an always stop sign, everybody has to stop. Right? Let it roll over the bump. So no gas or brake over the bump. Make this right turn again here. Stay straight till your mirror reaches the edge. One quick circle. Hold it. And then see where the car goes. Alright. So hopefully that's enough to give you an idea on right turns. Again, don't forget to comment, ask questions, like, subscribe so that you know when the next video is coming out. And we will see you shortly. Alright? Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc. doing business as Tramas Auto School, signing off.